Hello friends, Tony here. Now in this video, let's take a look at any type. So TypeScript also has a special type, any, that you can use whenever you don't want a particular value to cause type checking errors. So when a value is of type any, you can access any properties of it, call it like a function, assign it a value of any type, or pretty much anything else that's syntactically legal. And let me open the VS Code. And here, now any type is the default type in JavaScript that you already been working with, and it suggests that the value can be of type any. And let's see this with an example. So let me declare a variable over here, and let me assign it a type of any. So I'm going to say let my name is going to be of type any. Okay. And I'm going to assign the tone here. Very good. Okay, now in this case, the my name variable is of type any. So this means I can store any kind of value in the my name variable that I have over here. And TypeScript is not going to complain even if I change the type of the value. So for example, I can assign it a number to the my name instead of assigning to a string. Okay, see if I say here my name to be equal with the 42, as you can see, we don't have any error. Also, if I assign that so my name to true, yeah, we don't have any error. Also, if I say my name to an object, also if I say my name to an array, as you can see, the TypeScript is not showing an underline error here. So no matter what value I assign to this variable, TypeScript will not complain. And this is what we want to avoid with a TypeScript. So the whole purpose of using TypeScript is to assign strict types to our values. You don't want to use any type until there is no other solution available. So it's good to know that this kind of type exists in TypeScript, but we are not going to use this often. Okay, now let's see if we change this any type to unknown type. Yeah, we don't have the error here. Also, we don't have error here, here, and here. So it's almost the same as the any type. But what if I create here a function? So I'm going to say function, I'm going to say plus 2, which is going to accept a number here. And what this is going to do is going to return number plus 2. And as you can see right now, we don't have any error. Okay. What if I change the number type to be a type any? Yeah. Everything works correctly, but what if I change the number to be a type unknown? What do you think is going to happen? So if I say unknown, now we have error, underline error, so number is of type unknown. So here we have what difference the unknown type from the any type. Okay, so in this video, we learn about any type and also the unknown type. And I hope you enjoy this video. Now let's create here a new file, and I'm going to say any dash and also unknown, because are the same, except here as I told you. And let me select all, copy, go over here, paste it, save now, and let's close this, and then let's remove everything from here and save. And that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.